In this second management policies video, we will be looking at the policy areas around child access to IT equipment and also third-party access to equipment and information. Children attending an organised event can be granted a temporary account. Their use of the IT equipment must be appropriately supervised by those who are responsible for the equipment on campus. Risk assessments are required for children on campus, and in these risk assessments, things to consider must be also the access to IT systems and equipment. These policies do not apply when the child in question is already a student at the university or a member of staff. However, departments will have to account for this by ensuring the health, safety and welfare of the young person in question under all relevant legislation. The university may, at its discretion, provide access to services for third parties. A list of these third parties might include such groups as research collaborators and partners, maintenance and service providers, or commercial tenants. A contract must be in place between the university and the third party, detailing the level of service offered, terms and conditions, and any charges which may apply. Third parties requiring connection to the university network must evidence their information security policies, and they must either be in line with or exceed our own information security policies and standards. This evidence must be provided on an ongoing basis throughout the contract. Third parties requiring connection to the network must also provide a business owner, a technical guardian, and contact details. Both these stipulations that apply to third parties who are accessing the university network are also applicable to third parties who are accessing university data. Additionally, for these third parties who require access to university data, a data protection impact survey must also be undertaken, and any sharing of data with the third party must adhere to legal requirements. Data processing and sharing documentation must also be completed here as appropriate. Remote access by third parties to university systems must be authenticated against a Central Information Services Directorate managed system with an appropriate login. Third-party remote access for maintenance and support purposes must be disabled when not in use, with an auditable request process in place for enablement.